The police obtained a production order to gain access to Mrs. Issa's phone to assist with the investigation of her son's death. Mrs. Issa is now compelled to provide the police with a password to her phone. Senior Parish Judge Mrs. Sasha Ashley ruled that the number of people who must know the password should be limited. Judge Ashley said the process should not be postponed if either the attorney or the independent analyst are not present.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and give me a million like. Yo, this is an update on the monster mommy, where no one give the police her phone. The judge rules say she have to make the police get the phone, and the judge do a good thing, yo. Yo, me salute the JCF on the one, your dog. Pressure, that she married to Issa and them have a bag of money, and I can't understand, for the love of Christ, this lady, I try sabotage the investigation into her son. Look how them kill her son. She said somebody take the car and then cut the little boy throat. Yo, wicked. But yo, I salute the judge. I salute JCF. Alright, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And give me a million likes on that one there. But yo, like I say, she personally, anytime fear case come up, me dep on it. Me I follow that one here. She figure a prison. Issa figure a prison. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Now, before I go, I'm gonna play the rest of this news clip. And like me say, the JCF nail it. Pressure, yo. I'ma love how the police them a do this. Even though I don't like police, but I love how them a pressure them. Do your thing. I'm out.
Before the ruling, attorney Chuck Cameron, who represents Mrs. Issa, contested that the police misled the court in granting the production order. Cameron argued on the basis that the police failed in their duty to provide full or frank disclosure to the court. He submitted that the police were well aware that cell site data could not be obtained from a phone. He said if the police were genuinely interested in obtaining cell site data, they would have gone directly to the telecommunications provider. In this case, he posited that the court was misled in granting the production order. Cameron asked for the phone to be returned at the end of the extraction process or that the password be changed, but no ruling was made on this request. He argued that without that safeguard, the process could be undermined if the police have unrestricted access to the entire phone. Speaking with our news center, Cameron highlighted the privacy concern of his client.
So the court did grant did vary the order to a limited extent. Even in the face of the orders made, I have to seek instructions. But what has always been the primary issue of Mrs. Issa is the privacy rights of her privacy rights, the privacy rights of her dead child, and the fact that at all material times the police could have accessed the information either from the telco or from her when they made it available.
Cameron has given notice of his intention to appeal the orders.
So, having received instructions, we will consider what the next step is, whether or not we go for judicial review, or we did give notice of appeal, but we have to receive instructions on that issue first before we can say anything further.
Counsel representing the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF stressed that the production order was granted in September and that it's now November. Highlighting the position, the JCF wouldn't want any further delay as the matter is of public interest.